Frankly, it'd be more hygienic if they just had a plague-infested Gibbon sneeze my hands dry.
Hey guys, I just got the most amazing news.
Gosh, Ross, do you think you'll ever be able to talk in front of me without being drunk? Okay, well, I'll just go eat by myself.
Honey, you don't have to do that.
Oh, it's okay. Between him not talking, him talking, and him, I'm better off alone, so goodbye, you poor, strange little man.
She's so considerate.
So what's your news?